Just to double check, you are Ayara, right? Not some lookalike who's about to scan me?
Relax, Ray. Yes, I'm Ayara, and you still look exactly like your picture. Slightly confused, but trying your best.
Wow. First line of the date, and I'm already roasted. Perfect. I'm Ray, the officially confused guy.
I figured. You have that, I don't know what's happening, but I'll smile energy.
And you? You're, calmer than I imagined. And your voice is nicer in person.
Thanks. Also, this restaurant is actually pretty. Warm lighting, good space.
Yeah, and thankfully the menu isn't in French.
I'm glad we picked this place. It's peaceful.
I've been hearing you argue with your menu for 5 minutes.
I genuinely can't decide which dessert to order.
I'm ambivalent about ordering dessert.
Wait, what? You're pregnant?
What? No!
Ambi-baby-lint?
Ray, why are you like this?
You dropped a nuclear word on the first date.
It's not nuclear. It's English.
Exactly. Nuclear.
Ambivalence sounds like a medical condition.
No, it means having mixed feelings.
So you have mixed feelings about dessert?
Yes.
Not about me?
Maybe.
I knew it. I'm doomed.
Listen, when you're ambivalent, you're confused between two choices. You want something and don't want it at the same time. Like wanting to go to the gym, but hating it.
Or wanting to talk to you, but fearing the chaos you bring.
Okay, let me try. I feel ambivalent about messaging my ex.
What ex?
Exactly. I don't know. I want to message her, but I also want to block her.
That is the perfect example.
See? Emotional damage teaches English.
So remember, ambivalent means having mixed feelings.
Mixed feelings, like wanting dessert, but also wanting abs.
Exactly.
So, about me?
Let's stay ambivalent for now.
Don't overthink it, Ray. Ambivalence is healthy. It means I haven't decided whether you're trouble or adorable.
Why can't I be both? I'm a multi-talented disaster.
Oh, trust me, that part I figured out in the first 5 minutes.
Wow, roasting continues. Should we order fire extinguishers too?
Stop being dramatic. Order something and impress me.
Okay, fine. Watch me. I'm a grown man. I can order food. What is risotto? Is that rice? Soup? Porridge? What am I eating here?
It's creamy rice.
Then just call it creamy rice. Why does everything need a fancy identity crisis?
Oh, let it be. Okay, so one serious question.
Finally.
What exactly made you swipe right? Be honest. No cheesy lines.
You looked kind and confident. Like you actually know what you're doing in life.
That's funny. I don't. I just pretend really well.
Looks like you fooled me. Now your turn. Why did you swipe right? My jawline? My bio? My emotional damage?
You mentioned you like long walks to the fridge. That felt honest.
I knew that line was gold.
It made you seem normal and funny. I like people who are unintentionally funny.
So basically a clown.
An adorable clown. All right, Mr. Chaotic. Let's actually order before the waiter thinks we're writing a movie.
We are writing a movie. It's called Ambivalent, the First Date.
And it's already dramatic enough.